How to sign up and sign in on renderjewellery.com. In sign-up process, you need to follow very easy 13 steps to sign up.
Step 1. Visit our website renderjewellery.com. Step 2. Click on the Login button. Step 3. Select the Sign Up option. Step 4. Enter your full name. Step 5. Provide your email ID. Step 6. Enter your contact number. Step 7. Create a password and enter it in the password field. Step 8. Re-enter the same password in the Re-enter password field. Step 9. Click Sign Up. Step 10. After clicking Sign Up, you will be redirected to verify your OTP.
Step 11. Open your email ID to find the OTP. Step 12. Copy the OTP from your email. Step 13. Enter your email ID and the OTP in the respective fields to complete the verification. In sign-in process, you need to follow very easy 3 steps to sign in. Step 1. After visiting our website, renderjewellery.com, click on Login. Step 2. Enter your login ID and password. Step 3. Click on Sign In.